Ever heard of Christmas Island? Christmas Island is one of the islands owned by Australia. Christmas Island is one of the 3 states and territories of Australia. The other areas are the Cocos Islands and the Keeling Islands. This island actually does not have a large area. Christmas Island has an area of about 13,500 hectares only. If you want to make a comparison, the area of Christmas Island is almost the same as the area of Batu City in East Java, with an area of 13,600 hectares. Christmas Island holds many unique, interesting facts for us to know. The location is next to the island of Java. This island has a very close location to the island of Java. It can even be said that the two are next to each other. If you want to go to Christmas Island from Jakarta, it will only take you an hour and a half if you take an airplane. Can you imagine how close it is? Natal Island is located 360 kilometers south of Java Island and 1,400 kilometers northwest of Australia. Its location close to the island of Java often makes it mistaken for Indonesia, even though Christmas Island belongs to the Australian state. The unique history of Australia's Christmas Island. Of course, behind the ownership of Christmas Island in Australia, there is a history of its own. According to n.wikipedia.org, Christmas Island was first discovered by Captain William Miners from the Royal Mary ship belonging to the English East India Company, which passed the island on Christmas Day in 1643. The world's largest red crab migration site. This unique fact of Christmas Island is very interesting for us to know. Namely, this island is the largest red crab migration place in the world. It is estimated that there are 50 million red land crabs that will migrate to this island in late November to December. This massive migration will make the streets and various areas of the island will be filled with red crabs passing by.